Go.
What's up, guys, girlstuff viewers? Today we are opening RCs. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay. Wait, like, subscribe,
and ring that notification bell.
You gonna start it again? Say, look, Dad, what you
All right,
got
open
from
it up. Let's see what we got.
Amazon?
What you got? What you got? What you got? Ah, look at that. That's so cool. It's one of the mega ones, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is. It's got these right here.
It dumps?
Yeah. Okay.
Very cool.
I think we need.
Tell them what it is.
There you go.
I got the controller and the dump truck is out.
Whoa, that's cool.
You got an RC dump truck.
Yeah. Got 2 batteries. Okay. I'm gonna
Gonna put the battery pack in. Oh, you gotta unscrew it. We'll come back to that.
Okay.
All right, let's check it out. Is it turned on?
There's an awful lot of batteries sitting there.
Okay. Is it?
On the table.
No, it's not. There's not an on button. Wait.
Should have lights.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here's the on button. It's right here.
Oh. Where is it?
Whoa, that's a cool thing.
Dump it.
Okay, so what's it?
Oh,
That's cool.
very cool.
Wait, I'm gonna put it on the ground and see how it works. Done.
No, that has
Bring
to
it
come
around
back
here.
around.
Yeah, bring it around here, and then we'll see it dump. All right, dump it. Bring it over here a little bit more.
Go on here.
Do it so fast.
Done.
Whoa.
That is awesome.
That is cool.
Now dump this one also.
Do it again.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Nice. Thank goodness for dog bones, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna find it
All right, now we're gonna unbox the other thing.
in the little skid steer. Wait, so. Okay, it comes with some.
Oh, there you go.
Wait.
I think you just twist those. Other way, other way. Gotta go the right way.
Well, I don't know which way.
Oh, you know.
You won't either. Okay.
Okay. Are you keeping any of this stuff in this box?
No.
That's
All right,
the
let's
remote.
see what we got.
Uh.
Whoa, look at this cool thing.
Little skid steer.
Check it out. Little bobcat.
Yeah, bobcat.
And it's a remote control.
Yeah, but
Whoa. Does it go, or does it, we need batteries?
we need batteries.
We need batteries. So that's a wrap for today.
Bye.
Thanks for watching We Love Kids Storm, where we're storming the internet with kid-friendly content. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at We Love Kids Storm to see more fun videos. Let's go!